National Weather Service in Goodland has issued a tornado warning for Northeastern Gove County, Southwestern Graham County, Southeastern Sheridan County until 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, the public reported a tornado near Clinton. Doppler radar showed this tornado moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Locations impacted include St. Peter and Studley. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 100 and 110. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Kansas, Gove, Goodland, and Sheridan.